Hello, I'm Curtis McEwen and I'm doing my elephant toothpaste chemical reaction lab. For this lab, we'll be using the ingredients, a large clear container, dry yeast, warm water, liquid dish soap, 3% hydrogen peroxide, measuring cups and spoons, and food coloring. The basis of this chemical experiment, or this experiment, is to break down hydrogen peroxide into hydrogen and oxygen, because hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide naturally breaks down by light, but to expedite that process, we're going to use our yeast. Dry yeast, which you can find in the baking section, and dry yeast contains catalase, and catalase quickly breaks down the hydrogen, or breaks away the hydrogen atoms and the oxygen atom. When the catalase breaks down the hydrogen peroxide into hydrogen and oxygen, the oxygen turns into a gas. Generally, you wouldn't see the bubbles, or you would see very little bubbles because the gas would just come out of the tub. But we are going to be using dish soap to capture those bubbles, so those bubbles turn into like a soapy foam. We're going to be using food coloring so we can see the reaction better. So we can do that now. We're going to add a squirt of dish soap to our hydrogen peroxide. This container is hydrogen peroxide. Okay. And we're going to add a couple of drops of food coloring so that we can see it. We will give that a light stir. So it has that nice blue color. All right. We have 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide with our squirt of soap, dish soap, and our food coloring. On this side, we have 1 tablespoon of yeast, and we're going to add 3 tablespoons of warm water to it. So, 1, 2, 3. We're then going to stir it for 30 seconds. I apologize for the wait. Make sure that's all broken down. Stuff on the sides. 30 seconds is a long time. Almost done. Alright. There's a little stick. Well, this didn't happen when I practiced it. Apologies. Alright. Now, when we add the yeast and water mixture to the hydrogen peroxide and the dish soap and the food coloring, we should see an instant reaction of elephant toothpaste or foam bubbles. Hopefully it doesn't go over the pan. Rubber. And there you have it. You have your breakdown of hydrogen peroxide into hydrogen and oxygen, and we see all of our oxygen bubbles caught by the dish soap and turned into foam. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a good day.